Hello everyone, this is Tamanna Bagga from the Bright Learning Institute. Today we are going to have some discussion about Pearson test of English and one of its module, that is writing module. There are many myths and rumors nowadays in the market that students are thinking that they are not getting score in writing module just because of the templates they are using in writing essay. But guys, you must be clear with some facts that there are not only templates which are going to give you score in the writing module, but there are other parameters as well. So today we will have a detailed discussion regarding this, how you are going to get score in the writing module. So let's just start and let's just have a look on the first of the things, that what how you are going to get score in writing essay, because essay is the main thing which people have in their mind that they will get only score on the basis of the writing essay topic. But no, this is not the fact. Writing essay topic covers only 15 scores. It is a 15 marks question. So you must be clear with the parameters that on what basis you are going to get score in essay writing. There are seven parameters. The first one is content, then form, structure, grammar, journal linguistic range, spelling, and vocabulary. Now, first of all, you must be clear that how you will get score in the exam. When you are about to write your essay in the exam, it is very clear that first of all, what will be judged, the judgment will be done first of all on the basis of the word limit. If you use the word limit of 200 to 300 to describe your essay, you will get full marks in the score in the form category. Fine. And in next part, you can say that your grammar part will be checked. If you are not doing any mistake in the grammar part, the your marks in the grammar part will be full, that will be 2 out of 2. Then your journal linguistic range, structure, yes, structure is very important. Sometimes we write the essay, and due to confusion we forget to write comma at any place, or we give double space at some places, or we forget to give the space between the alphabets. So all these parameters are very important in the structure part. While writing essay, you must focus on your commas, on the usage of your full stop or the capital letters or the four paragraph structure. So all these things are very important. We think that we have just written the template and we are going to get the full score. This is not the thing, because while writing, how we write, how we are giving focus on all the parameters which are required to get full score in the structure part, that is very important. So whenever you are writing your essay, just to focus on the structure part as well. There shouldn't be any mistake. If you do more than one mistake in any of these categories, you are not going to get score in the writing essay question. So on this, in the structure part, you must focus on your punctuation, you must focus on the spacing, you must focus on the format of the paragraphs, format of the essay, and the usage of the capital letters or the small alphabets at the required place. Fine. Then your spelling and vocabulary. Vocabulary is, we need to use the a variety of words. We should not repeat the words again and again in the writing essay. If we repeat the words again and again, definitely a vocabulary part would be zero. And for the spelling part, if you do mistake in more than one spelling, definitely your spelling and vocabulary both are going to be hampered. So while writing essay, just try to focus on the spellings and do cross check to check your essay whether you have done any spelling mistake or not. Fine. At the end, the content part is very important. Content is based on the question. So if you guys are using template, don't take these things in your mind that template is not working or we are not getting scores just because of the templates. These are not the case nowadays. In writing, template is not the only thing to give you scores. Template is only to give you score in the essay part, and essay is having only 15 scores to contribute. Rest, we know that writing is of 90 marks. So do you think that these 15 marks are going to hamper? Definitely it will hamper, but not to that extent that you are not going to get score in the listening part or in the reading modules. Fine. So to get score in the writing module, in the writing essay, you need to focus on these all these parameters and make one thing very clear in your mind, that there is not any issue with the template. Fine. So Next, we should be clear with summarized written text. In summarized written text, there are four parameters that are considered by giving you scores, and these are content, form, grammar, and spelling. So, again, here you need to work on the form, that is on the word limit, that should be between 5 to 75 words, and that definitely grammar and spelling are very important. So, always try to do focus on the spelling part, because we are getting judged on the basis of our skills of writing. So if we will do mistake in the spelling part, how we can be able to have good skills in the writing part? Fine. So just make focus, just make this thing very clear to you that you need to work on the spelling, on the grammar, on the word limit, and definitely the content. Summarized written text is based on the summary of the whole content, and that should be done in 2 to 3 sentences. You can use the connectors to link up your lines to make the summary, and that should give a proper idea. Fine. So you have seen that summarized written text is of 7 marks and writing essays of 15 marks, and rest of the scores, more than 50% score in the writing part, is going to be contributed from other modules, that is right from dictation from the listening part, fill in the blanks from the listening part, summarize spoken text from the listening part, and yes, fill in the blanks of reading and writing. So guys, if you are weak in any of these four sections, how can you get score in the writing part? Whether you have done the essay very beautifully, you have run the essay very correctly, there is no mistake in your essay, there is no mistake in your summarized written text, still you won't be able to get good scores or the desired scores if you are weak in any of these categories. So make this thing very clear in your mind that if you want to get good scores in the writing part, along with the writing, you need to focus on all these four questions as well. So try to have command on these questions and clear all the rumors from your mind that there is any issues with the templates. Templates are working, they are giving you help to get good scores. So you are using the template, but in the template you can see that there are some blanks where you need to add the content. If you will do mistake in adding the content in that, with some grammar mistake or spelling mistake, so guys, how you will get, you do you think that you are going to get scores? So just try to do practice on the things and clear all kind of these rumors from your mind, because these are just to make you confused and you won't be able to get good score in the writing part. So if you want to get scores in the writing part, along with writing, just to focus on all these parameters, all these categories, only then you will be able to get good scores. Thank you everyone.